Hi, I'm Brandon Grass, a real estate agent here in Kelowna, BC, and today I'll be taking you on a tour of Glenmeadows. This community is located in Kelowna's Glenmore neighborhood and offers great walkability, car and transit access to get where you need to go. Local grocery shopping nearby can be done at IGA or Save On Foods. Medical clinics, banks, liquor stores, restaurants are all only a few short minutes away. One of my personal favorites is Brandts Creek Pub on Wednesday nights for wing night. The wings are absolutely delicious. Not greasy, super coated in this perfect coating. They're really, really good. Make sure you get there early because the place tends to fill up and it's super busy because they're so good. Now, back to Glenmeadows. Glenmeadows is located at 615 Glenmeadows Road and is part of a 100-unit Bearland strata complex that is a secure gated community that's built in 1991 and 1992. The clubhouse here includes a well-stocked library room, pool table, shuffleboard, large meeting room with a complete kitchen, plus outdoor barbecue area, and a desirable indoor pool with hot tub and private change rooms with showers. So perfect for the extended family to enjoy a little fun in the sun in the pool. Available floor plans vary here from smaller 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,200 square foot units to spacious multi-level homes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms that have over 3,000 square feet of living space. Parking options are either a single car garage or double car garage, so the vehicles will be definitely protected all year long. Landscaping and yard maintenance is done for you, as well as all common property roads, road maintenance, and snow removal in the winter. This is an age-restricted community, and the age restriction here is 55 and over. RV parking is available on site inside of the gated community for an additional monthly fee. This community is pet friendly, but does have a few restrictions, and since the rules and bylaws are always changing, send me a message anytime to get a copy of the most current up-to-date bylaws if you are interested in this community. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Glenmeadows, and if you have any questions about the area, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. Whether you're a buyer looking to buy, a seller wanting to sell, you can contact me anytime at 250-212-5672 or send me an email at brandon@thegrassgroup.ca, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Have a great day.